Test, test. You guys ready or what? Good morning. Are we live? Yes, indeed we are. What's going on, Eric? Good morning. Today's a brand new day. AMC is starting off pre-market right. 10:57. We are we're already spiking. I'm glad you're okay. I was in there getting nervous. You guys thought you guys got banned, right? Or you guys thought I was being hidden from you. But no, I wasn't. I kind of got late because if you notice, there's no more activate windows. Activate windows is gone. So it logged me out of everything. Logged me out of YouTube, logged me out of Twitter, Fintel, all of the websites we use. I had to find my password. I didn't even know my password. This Think or Swim, I don't know why it reset to the old gray boring setup, and I had to fix that. That was kind of weird how I messed with my Think or Swim. And I have to review my logins. They didn't even let me log in. Fake tell, yeah. You guys got notified? Yeah. YouTube has been really weird lately. It's been really weird. Even with the videos that come out at night, it's literally a gamble if you get the notification at publish time or you get it 20 minutes later. Kramer, by the way, he was on Twitter yesterday doing an Ask Me Anything. I guess Twitter has this new feature where they have the clubhouse where you could all join in and ask him questions. There was like 1,000 people in there. I hopped in there and I couldn't stand it. I couldn't stand it, so I just left. But he was answering questions too. AMC, today's the day. I hate to call and put dates on things. We don't know what to expect today. There's gonna be a lot of things. We have the new infrastructure plan too. Let's see. What was it? 2 trillion. Even on the videos tonight, I want to cover some of that as well. What's going on in the overall market too. I was heated. Yeah, there was a lot of people trying to ask questions. Kayla, good morning. The squeeze is 4 trillion? I thought it was two. Damn. Oh, Robinhood gets rid of confetti feature. See, this is CNBC just published this. Robinhood gets rid of confetti feature among scrutiny over gamification of investing. Gamification. And this was brought up um on the congressional hearing. How even just for the you guys have the debit card. I was one of the I got the debit card, and for you to be able to get it quicker or to get approved for it faster, you had to freaking tap the screen. I was there just tapping it. I was like, my place was like 500,000 in line. I was like number 400 something thousand. How am I supposed to get my dopamine? That was brought up as well. You have it? Yeah, I have it too, and it's so I don't want to say the word. So bad. Let me see. Let's see what kind of news we got on Discord. Let's see. 10:57. Guys, we need to break out on a freaking AMC. We've been in this range. I saw somebody else make a pretty decent DD post on technical analysis on AMC. I think it was on Reddit, and they had the exact same thesis we had. The range, man, we're stuck in this range, 1050s. Where we're at right now, 12 resistance, and right around 950s, maybe even 10 is where we have some support. That's what we need to break out from. Good morning. What is confetti? What's secret stonk about on Discord? I don't know any secret stonk you guys are talking about in there. I don't know. Yeah, Godzilla King Kong today. It's out now live. I think that's trendy on Twitter. No, actually, Goldman Sachs is trendy on Twitter. Uh, Breaking news: Goldman Sachs is planning to offer Bitcoin services to their high net worth clients in Q2. Eventually, they will have to offer Bitcoin services to everybody. Did that cause a price in Bitcoin? What's the price? Bitcoin price 58. I feel like it's been at 58. Every time I check the price, 58. The movie sounds busted. I've heard of him. Steve-O. Oh, this isn't live. No, the real Ralph. I don't know. He hasn't been back. I don't know what he's doing. He told me to fill in for him. What's the price of an Arby's roast beef sandwich? 5 for 10. 5 for 10. Morning, Star Clouds. Welcome back. Guys, in the Robin Hood board meeting, we have a solution. No more confetti. Let's see. Mike, let me check. I'm not logging into my. Let me see. What do we got? 15 minutes left. We got some time. We got some time. I need to re-log into every account I was signed into. All right, there we go. Let's go. Absolutely. Kelly, we're hoping for a close up of 200. We're hoping for 200 closes. We were off by $6 from a 200 close. But if you look at the 5, 15, 30 minute, beautiful uptrend on Gamestonk. You can almost see this cup in half. Today, if there's going to be any play or any analysis, any movement, any momentum I want to see, it's definitely, of course, above 200 first and foremost. Let's break 200 and retest 220. 220 was a struggle back early March, I believe. 220. After 220, we can pretty much, yeah, Daniel, I agree. We could go back to 250. 250 was my first initial price target before earnings, in which we did not hit. And here is another shot at hitting that price target. So we're going for 220 and then 250. As for AMC, we're still in the range 12, 10. We need to break above 12. It's Chipotle trading at 1400. Good morning, David. A lot of you guys, Larry, bought VIAC. How are we on this one? Did it pull back just yet? No, it's still, again, in this range. Similar range as to AMC. That's what I see support. I see resistance. I see it trading sideways, finding some support before, of course, the recovery. DIAC, right? The Discovery? Or Disca. Discovery. This was actually picking up a little bit quick. I see an uptrend more on Discovery than I do see on Viacom. But I don't know. I don't want to jump the gun and then it bounces down back down. I remember I played this on Netflix and I got wrecked because I bought into it early. I think it was like at 4 or 500. I forgot. It was the earnings bounce. Let's see if I can find it. Similar situation, similar play. I don't think I'll be able to find it. But it was the same situation. I bought on like the second day of the bounce and it just sunk again. So that's why I'd rather have it test support, trade there, consolidate before I hop in because I don't want the same situation to happen where, oh, second day it found some support. Nope. Keeps on selling off. And I'm stuck. And I'm stucco. So patience, patience. On the bright side, Tesla 648 pre-market headed to 650s. Like always, it always comes back for me, man. I'm stuck at 677. Horrible, horrible price. I always jumped the gun too early on Tesla, but it is what it is. It never came down under the price I wanted to add more. But we did see that, yeah, the SpaceX landing. It was foggy. Did they relaunch yesterday? Because I know it was live when we were watching it, and then the market opened. But 648, I'll take it. And do a backflip. Ragnar, man. Markets are indeed closed tomorrow, guys. I mean, Friday. Today's Wednesday, right? Yeah, Friday. What should we do Friday, man? I've been getting requests to bake. The blunt truth, yeah. Unstable marketers like Robinhood being transferred to a stable broker. That was yesterday. I forgot what it was called. I think it was called the AIM transfer. Meaning if your broker takes a poo-poo, your assets are safe. Assets, not asses, are safe. Same thing, right? Yeah, I saw that. Trey speaking with Jordan Belfort on Thursday. I'm really interested in that, by the way, that video. A lot of people are as well. Even the people who despise that action of him going along with Jordan Belfort, I'm pretty sure they're still gonna watch it. The haters are still gonna watch it. That's why I would recommend to Trey, just go for it, man. Do it. It helps everybody out tremendously. Did you see the DD about the ridiculous low borrowing rates for GameStop and other stocks who keeps landing for so cheap and why? I don't believe the numbers. And E Hernandez, wherever you receive those numbers, I'd like to know. Maybe Fintel, I'm assuming. iBorrow Desk is what I'm assuming. Crypto and baking. Live Q&A, that's interesting. You know who else is doing a live Ask Me Anything? Alexis, I believe her name is Alexis Goldstein. I should wear a bunny suit or a gorilla suit. Christopher, is this in regards to yesterday, Oliver? But I would appreciate that. 'Cause I like dropping a like. That helps out tremendously on the YouTube algorithm. I think that's what it is. I think when you guys like the video, it starts sending out more notifications. Because I think when you turn on notifications, YouTube doesn't send notifications to everybody. I think that's what Turt said in the YouTube email to me. He said that they first send it to a couple number of people, and then depending on how many people open that or click it, in this case, the bell button or the alerts, they send it to more people. So I don't think they send it to everybody, which is completely stupid to me. It's like why? It's like there people are turning on notifications for a reason. So that never made sense to me. Bunny suit and Arby's for Friday. It should be like a fun live stream Friday. You guys agree? Maybe try something else on Arby's. See if we get sick. Why the bunny though? I don't understand the bunny. Oh, for East. I'm such a smooth brain. I'm such a smooth brain. I'm just so lost with dates. I'm just so it's like, oh, market. Next day, oh, the market. It's like you forget about it. The gorilla suit. Yes, I would rather love a gorilla suit. Then again, I have to find one that fits me. Because even for like Party City, when we try to get the astronaut suit, they only had them in kid sizes. And the bunny from GameStop. Was that their logo before? The bunny? The Roblox looking guy? Minecraft looking guy? Kramer said he would do an Ask Me Anything on Reddit about GameStop. Yeah, they invited him. You know Kramer's been licking his lips to hop on Reddit. He looks forward to that. I know he does. I could eat raw eggs like nothing, man. Like nothing. I'll get an egg right now, crack it, and I'll just raw, baby. Raw ain't nothing new to me. 10:45. 197 pre-market still for GameStop. We're not seeing that much action pre-market, but of course I like it. I like not seeing it rally crazy pre-market because usually when we see those type of movements, a market open, we see the opposite. It falls. YouTube is busted. What do you mean? Like broken? Yeah, I ordered the Rafiki Funko Pop. I can't wait for that to come in. I can't wait for my. I ordered the GameStop. That's obviously being delivered on 420, the banana. But let me see. We're waiting for that to come in. We're waiting for the gorilla shirt to come in as well. We got a gorilla shirt. A giveaway for Easter. One marshmallow peep. They're disgusting marshmallow peeps. Should we just ask Kramer? I think Kramer would hop on here, guys. I'm telling you, it's all a meme. It's all a meme till it happens. There we go. 5 minutes till the market opens. I was late today, yes, because I got logged out of every account. You know why? If you look at the bottom right, what's missing? What's missing? You notice anything new? It's not there anymore. Activate Windows is not there. So it logged me out of everything. YouTube, my Gmail, Fintel, Twitter, both of the Twitter's account. I don't know why it logged me out of Think or Swim. Really weird. Let's see. 4 minutes. I borrowed this is better, not gonna lie. Usually I borrowed this has the same information, the same numbers as Fintel. Windows Revenge. Ralph is always on fleek. I always look the same. What have you guys said? I always look the same. Is it the real Ralph or the fake Ralph? A friend told me Ralph will eat a raw egg on camera if AMC hits $11 today. I'll eat 11 raw eggs if AMC hits $11 today. Maybe I'll get sick, but I don't know. Good morning, Space Kitty. Good morning, welcome back. Happy birthday, by the way. Can we get a happy birthday to Space Kitty? Someone else, yeah. No, I have a pretty strong stomach, so I don't think so. Oh, you guys are funny. Oh, you guys are way too funny. Coffee in one hand, candle in the other. Let's go. Pre-recordings. These are live. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Here we go. You know what? Before we start, let's check Webull. Let's see if we have any free strongs. Oh, I have to even log into my Webull. You see, it logged me out of everything. This is so bad. I don't even know my password. Let me see mobile login. There we go. Let me see. I have to get the stupid code. Give me 1 second. I have to use my phone to get the code, guys. I'm still here. I'm still here. Oh, we have one free stock. Whoever, whoever's keeping the streak alive, guys, shout out to you. Whoever's using that link below to sign up for Webull, giving me one more shot at bringing me one more shot closer to taking over WPF. We're gonna save this bad boy. You already know what it is. Tesla. They have 4,000 Tesla shares they're giving away, and this has to be Tesla right here. But market's gonna open in 8 seconds. Here we go. Buckle up. 3, 2, 1. I love that bell. AMC, what the heck are you doing? This is exactly why I don't like to see it push up pre-market. Then it dumps. Jamer pump on the bell. Bouncing 1039. Give it some time. Let's see. Gamestop pulling back 196. We're going for that 200 one more time. We're aiming for 200 close today and hopefully an 11 push and an 11 close on AMC, bringing us one step closer, one candle closer to breaking above that wedge at $12. That range, we're stuck in there, baby. We are stuck 198 here on GameStop. Let's see. Let's try to predict the pattern. We usually have the same repetitive pattern. Shooting up at market open, pulling back, and having resistance on EMA. Let's see if we have that today. Let it bounce, let it bounce, let it tick. Where's the link for Webull? In the description below? I believe it should be there, right? Good morning, Ron. Good morning. 199. Let's see if we blow past 200, or if we're gonna struggle and see some resistance there. I love the momentum on these candles. Nothing like market open. Look at this. Look at this. It's already going red. Bringing AMC down with it. GameStop suppressed at 200 and 220. Yeah, there's that resistance there at 199.38. So close to 200. Is 200 a meme? Please zoom in on AMC. There we go. Is that better, guys? Give me 1 second. Let me just grab the link to this really quick. Put it in the Discord. All right, so we saw that smaller spike, usually not that crazy rally we see at market open. The 199, we're not pulling back under EMA. Like always, we have that resistance there at the blue line, man. EMA is no joke. Look at the selling pressure at 195, AMC following along. Do we have any updates on the transcript that came out yesterday? I'm gonna try to look for that. Let me remove this alert really quick. How's the uptrend on the 5 minute 15? Looks like we have to hold around the 192 level, possibly even maybe 190. So we're hoping for this bounce on this line here on this higher low line. So close to that. Let's not crack under this, guys. Let's hold the trend line. Hold the line. And just like always, as aggressive as these pullbacks, let's see the same in the opposite way. These bounces, these green candles. Let's hope and let's wait for a massive green candle, a massive push. Like we always see. We always see both sides of the coin. Up and down. Good morning, Gamma Mike. Nope, no news yet. Can Chewy's earnings beat fuel GameStop stock? BlackBerry, yeah, BlackBerry took a dump as well, guys, yesterday for earnings. I had the same pattern as GameStop. Descending triangle headed into earnings. They both played out and unfolded the same way technically. That was in regards to the third bridge transcript. Yes, we're still waiting for that. You have to pay for it. Maybe that's why they didn't email me back. They're like, this guy did not pay anything. He does not deserve it. Yeah, we're still pulling back. That green candle on the bounce is still not there on GameStop. We're trying to hold here at 1025 for AMC. How's Tesla? Making me happy or breaking my heart? 643. All right, GameStop, here it is. Green candle, just as aggressive, baby. Show me the upside. Go, go, go. EMA test. All righty, let's see. True test here at 196.96. 196.96 EMA. There we go, breaking above. Is it going to close above? I'm going to sneeze. Oh. Look at this candle, man. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We're retesting the 199 again. Don't get rejected at 200. Just fly, baby. You got wings. You got wings. Don't sell off. Don't sell off. AMC following along. GameStop bringing it with it. Sneeze pump. Oh, you guys are funny. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm thinking, Nick. Same old story with AMC, man. That freaking EMA. GameStop is at least trying to close above, but we're still struggling at 199, 200. These whole numbers, they don't play around. That resistance is still there. Oh, welcome back, Parker. I don't think you've been MIA the last 2 days. I think you were here yesterday. Look at this bullish green candle. Don't you just love to see this? Look at this candle. If it closes green, oh my gosh, there's another test. There's another possibility of a push above 199 retesting. I love this candle. That, my friends, is called strength right here. Look at this. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is called a bullish hammer or a bullish doji. I get them mixed up. We need this to close above the blue line, SMA 197. We're still slightly struggling there. AMC looks like it caught itself at 1020. Guys, this is what we need to close above. Blue line and yellow line. There we go. There we go. There we go. SMA, EMA, here we go. Look at this. It does not want to close above. It's indecisive. Goes under, goes green. Hmm. The hammer, right? Doji hammer? Hammer doji. Okay, perfect. I peeped your Facebook. I forgot I even had a Facebook. There we go. There we go. We opened the candle above. We opened the candle above. Are we gonna hold? There we go. There we go. Here comes the test. It's so frustrating. To me, it's exciting. I think it needs a little stroking. I mean, triple top here at 190. Was it 199.38? Lower high 199. Lower high 198. There's still some slight resistance there. It's struggling. Here comes the AMC out of nowhere back to 1030s, retesting that EMA. GameStop. I believe we're either going to hold these higher lows and break above, or it's going to come on down to 195. That's going to happen in the next couple minutes or so. Break above or come on down. Let's see. I peeped your MySpace. How long are we going to be stuck at 10 bucks? I don't know, Corey. I do not know. Ah, man, this candle here at 196. It's not the best situation. It's not the best case scenario for GameStop, guys. We're still struggling. 196 again. Now we're pretty much reliant on higher lows, which again, it's not bad because I still see them. I still see these higher lows on the 1 minute. If it does come on down under these higher lows, what is that called? A double bottom, which of course we never like to see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's bouncing aggressively. There we go. It wants to quadruple top. But you guys see this? Slightly lower highs. We need to break above this. It's spiking at 198 is good, but it getting rejected and pulling on back is not good. On the bright side, higher lows, AMC trying to close above EMA. There we go. There we go. Not so bad of a start. Level 2 is showing some big support at 195. I just felt like my chest got stuck for some reason. Like a bunch of air got stuck through my throat. There we go. There we go. Breaking above. Screw these lower highs, man. They cannot stop us. Now we just need to close above 199 to retest 200. See how aggressively in volatile it starts to get as soon as it closes above 199? Starts to get around that area. It starts to swing. Oh, this is not the best candle. This is the opposite of a bullish candle. We still got like what, 20 seconds on the candle? 15 seconds? Let's see. Where is it going to close at? Near the bottom or new high? New high. Yeah, AMC pumps slowly but surely. Yeah, it's a slow stepper. Slow stepper on AMC. Regular sell-off at 200. More like a resistance there at 200. I don't know. It's struggling slightly, but we remain hopeful. We pretty much rely on these higher lows. AMC's seeing that resistance rejection at EMA. It's not holding above just yet, but once again, let's plot these higher lows, baby. Is this Weibo? No, this is not Weibo, Reina. This is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. All right, look at this pulling back, testing the higher lows. Are we gonna bounce off 196, 195 possibly? Let's see. Let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. Look, it's bouncing off 196. It's very strong on both sides, guys. The support, the dip buy, and the sell-off, the resistance at 200. Very interesting. This is not usually the price action we see on GameStop at market open. Would you guys agree? Usually we either see a crazy rally up and then a pullback, or we see a huge dip. We rarely see this. It just consolidating and forming an ascending triangle right at market open. I mean, we've been open for what, 12 minutes? And we're already forming an ascending triangle and having resistance at 200. But hey, we're trading towards these whole numbers. You gotta accept it. No, markets aren't open Friday. There we go, pulling on back. Let's remove these these higher lows. It looks like we're not holding the 196 level. Now we're at the sideways territory with resistance once again being at 199, around $200. Let's see if we find some support around 195. Where does that place us as of yesterday's price action? This would possibly be midday. Midday, so not so bad. Not so bad. Keep an eye on this trend line. I wish I could change these colors on these trend lines. I don't think I can. But this trend line here, This is what we need to hold to continue the higher lows. That's what we need to hold. WPF pump. Should we open and unpack the Tesla share right now on a Webull, or should we wait till power hour? Tesla 655. Ooh, you love to see it, man. I'm 20 bucks away. Come save me. Come save me, Kathy Wood. Every time I wait, I get WPF. How's futures, guys? Green? I'm not sold on this. You guys see these lower highs? This resistance here? If we do pull back, let me set my alerto or below. Set this here. Pull back AMC. What are we doing? Consolidation once again at 1020. I don't like seeing that double bottom there. I don't like this. Usually AMC always flushes under the double bottoms, trading your support. It usually does this. I don't like to see this. But with the help of Gamestop and possibly a push back to 199, there might be a stretch. AMC might follow along and bounce off of there. Let's see it. Come on, Gamestop. Who's Kong? I've been seeing that. Kong bought 12K of AMC. I'm trying to figure out who Kong is. Um, I can change the colors. Yeah, today's the last day, Mike. Today is the last day, March 31st. Oh my gosh, I can't change the line, the color line. Oh, I never knew this. This is just so beautiful now. Don't get this confused with the EMA. It's not the EMA. It's a trend line we have to hold. This is amazing. This is sick. You learn something new every day. You could change the girth of it, the width. Gotta love me some girth. 195. It looks like we're holding that 195 level. AMC 1022. Kong is my wife's boyfriend. George W. Look at that bounce. Such a sexy bounce here to 196. Testing that EMA one more time. Like always, that freaking EMA is always a test, a resistance right around this time on market open. AMC once again testing as well, 1027. Let's push back to 1030, baby. Open the box. WPF can wait. You guys are so confident at WPF, man. Watch it beat Tesla. Break the curse, break the streak. Give me some Tesla. Here we go, GameStop. Is this what the quadruple top at 198, 199? This is called the girth pump, 197. Oh my gosh, we need to close above EMA, guys. Isn't it struggling? Look at this. It's indecisive. It's like it's halted and it's stuck in between the middle on this candle. Look at this. There we go. No way. This can't be true. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Chris. I've been coming across so many articles that try to encourage us to sell AMC. The Motley Fool, right? No way, Tesla is at 677. That's the price I'm in at. You're trolling me, Jesus. If I pull up Tesla and it's not at 677, I'm gonna be disappointed. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got me there. You got me there. That's literally the price I'm in at. Only a small position. I only have 10 shares, so it's nothing crazy. Last time we had what, 50 something shares? No, one time we had like 70 shares. I was literally crapping myself. I feel like that's how it is with Tesla. Either you wake up super excited one day and it's rallying, it's in your favor, or you completely get wrecked. Still resistance here on EMA, man. We're still slightly struggling. Tremisia, thank you for the donut. ETFs are supposed to balance that power hour. Today is the last day, guys, as well. Q1, baby. Q1. I appreciate the dono. You guys don't have to donate. Use that money. Buy some WPF. Oh. Who's selling? ETFs are supposed to balance the power hour. The pensions, right? If I'm not mistaken. Pensions. So sell Tesla at 700. I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. If I get to my break-even price, I'm possibly just gonna maybe take a little profit, rebuy back later. It's like it comes back to my price where I buy in at. I don't get a chance to sell, and then it'll just sink back. So I'm kind of like, see, I've traded Tesla. Before this whole GameStop AMC situation, Tesla was my go-to every day, watching every tick by tick. So now you kind of get a feel for the movements, how aggressive these bounces can be, the dips as well. Rebalance at 3. I don't like this pullback. Here we go. We're testing the blue line, which is the uptrend. We're cracking down under. Seems like this pattern is repetitive, guys. EMA resistance holding us down with 197, around 200 resistance. We are pulling back. Now we are playing the game of catching ourselves and trying to keep these higher lows on a day like this, Wednesday. With the market closed on Friday. Here we go. Here we go. We're testing on the 15. Let's see if we bounce off of this level. I would hate to see the resistance form at 195. We cannot afford to have these lower highs. AMC triple, almost quadruple bottom here at 1017. Descending triangle. I wouldn't be surprised if it does pull back to like 1015, 1010 maybe, but let's wait and see. Good morning, good morning. It's not my birthday, Alfredo, from the Bronx. Straight from the Bronx. It is Space Kitty's birthday. It's not my birthday. Oh, Young Life, it's your birthday too. Happy birthday. All right, we're bouncing. Yesterday we mentioned how every time GameStop pulls back and it hits a new low on the 1 minute time frame. In this case, it'd be 191. And never goes without a fight. It tries to immediately bounce. In this case, we're bouncing in 193. The key still here is, of course, holding that support level and bouncing more aggressively. In this case, to 194 or 195. Let's bounce back to that range. Stay above the blue line. Stay above the trend line. Stay and form these higher lows. Arby's for breakfast? Absolutely not. Maybe tomorrow we'll have some Arby's. Or Friday. I don't know. AMC is like holding itself by a hair right here, guys. There we go. Descending triangle. I'm not surprised it's cracking. I am not surprised. We've seen this pattern so many times, so many countless times. I don't even know. We saw this pattern on the 4 hour on GameStop before earnings, and even GameStop sunk into earnings. So, like 90% of the time, you're gonna see a crack on these descending triangles. And it's still pulling back 1010. Not surprised. BlackBerry, I did not catch the bounce on that. I'm not gonna touch BlackBerry. I'll peep at it. I think I do have BlackBerry. I have 15 shares of BlackBerry. I forgot I even had BlackBerry. And the 4 hour is not looking good. The daily is not looking good as well. 1010 still. GameStop 191 still pulling back. Catch yourself. Catch a bounce back above the blue line. That's what we're waiting for. Hmm. Magnet to 10. Yeah, these whole numbers usually are magnets, and in this case, we're not on the right side of the magnet. Magnet is a whole number of $10. And with GameStop pulling back to 191, under 190 possibly, it might facilitate that path to $10 on AMC. Let's wait and see. I wish, Robert. I'm telling you, that share from Webull is gonna be a Tesla share. I already feel it. My body feels it. I'm pulling up Twitter really quick, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, we're trying to bounce now here on AMC at 1016. Hop back above that range we cracked under, which is 1016. I don't know. Let's see if it's gonna close above. Possibly have that bounce. How's the 5 minute on Gamestonk? 5 minute we're oversold with EMA being at 196. So if we do see a bounce in the coming minutes, it's possibly going to be around 195, 196. Let's see. Let's see that EMA test one more time. All right, we hit EMA at 194. Are we going to close above? That's the question. Both stocks, AMC and GameStop, are testing EMA. So let's see. I think we just saw that bounce here to 194.50. I was expecting more of an aggressive bounce. According to the 5 minute, we're way oversold. Here we go. Here we go. We're bouncing. 194.70 is what we hit. Still pushing. 194.60s. Let's see. Let's see. AMC's already seen that rejection, guys, at EMA. Slowly but surely trying to step up above the 1016 level. On GameStop, we bounced to 194.70. I was expecting 195, but we're testing the EMA. Here we go. AMC back in this triangle. AMC's back in the range. That's what I'm talking about. Uh, Delta Airlines. Nope, I'll pass. All right, this might be the second leg up on GameStop. Let's see. Rejection or no? Are we gonna celebrate Jamer's birthday in July? I don't know. July's a long time from now. July's a long time from now. All right, there we go. I'm expecting that bounce to 195 plus. Are we gonna get that? Are we gonna get that? On the 5, there we go. We hit 195.22. This is the bounce we were waiting for. If we do see a final stretch up, it's gonna be 196.37. That's the next level. Based off of technicals and oversold on the 5, we're seeing that bounce on the 5 minute. As for the 1 minute, this puts us above EMA. The key here now is holding above EMA. In this case, if it does pull back under EMA, let's hold the trend line at least at 193 and continue that upward momentum. Usually when we end the streams later, we see that reversal coming on in. Very interesting. I'm gonna get a banana really quick. I can feel my stomach. If you guys are enjoying the stream, make sure to drop a like. I'd appreciate that. We are at 220 likes. You know, we only need 200 more for 420, baby. I'll be right back. Um, yeah, AMC has yet to see that bounce, guys, on the 5 minute. We're not seeing that bounce yet on AMC. I haven't been loving the action on AMC. Yeah, Carlos, I need a haircut. I've been all over the place. No, the banana I haven't ate it. It's still here. Uh, you thought the stonks guy with the suit was in the chair? That's funny. Morning, Mario. Good morning. Just don't look into the camera when you eat it. I'll try not to. NQ still jumping higher. I could peep Nasdaq. I could peep the market. Let's see. Give me the heat map. Let's wait for the update. Oh, we're still pushing on futures, guys. SPY possibly pushing as well. Yup, this is what I'm talking about. We're seeing the market bounce today. Finally. Um, Garden Gnome, that's exactly why I paused the video mid-video. Like we cannot afford these copyright strikes. YouTube is we're already on the bad side of YouTube. That's a very, very good analysis, Shamicia. Ladder attacks, and we're still climbing up. Yeah, we're barely even red on GameStop, and we're still holding the higher lows. You guys see this blue line? Blue line, keep that on check. When it moons, you can buy YouTube. How's Disca? Pulling back. This is exactly why I didn't want to jump the gun too quick. Tesla bouncing, bouncing. Yeah, Ivan, I think the same thing. Just I'm gonna be patient. I don't want to jump the gun too early. I always do, always do. Oh, we just did. We just did. We peeped the discovery. Yeah, Victor, we saw the tweet, the ladder. Let's check Fintel really quick. All right, I like this bounce here on GameStop 193, higher lows. AMC is not holding, man. This $10 hold number, the magnet. 750K as of 22 minutes ago for AMC. How about GameStop? And this was coming down from 1.5 million on AMC. Oh wow. GameStop is really low again. 25K. It was 3K 2 hours ago. That's insane. One 193 again. 1.3 mil. Fintel is showing 750K. Yeah, we've seen this price action before, guys, on AMC. Literally just being held down, no bounce on the 5. Look at this, no bounce yet. Nothing. What's a 10-year yield at? Let me check 10-year. 1.72 is my guess. 1.721. You guys think we go for 2? 2%? Yeah, we're holding $10. $10 seems to be the next level of support. Like we talked about, we're at the same range on the 4 hour. You guys see this? Resistance 12, support right around 970s. In this case, we're holding 10. So let's wait and see. Yeah, the Nasdaq is soaring. NQ's ripping. Mm-mm. Still pushing you highs. SPY. Morning, Tony. Good morning. Look at PLTR. Take a quick look, quick glance at Palantir. Seems like this is the reversal. Today it's gonna reverse. I remember I wanted to buy some PLTR at 20 something. It was like 27 bucks. And we were patient, waited it out, came down to like 20 bucks. Now it looks like we're bouncing, but not don't be fooled. On the daily, there's still resistance here at 23 on the EMA. I wouldn't jump the gun just yet. I mean, it depends on your strategy. You going long term or what? Technicals? I'm just talking about technicals here. AIM GameStop's pulling back. This hopefully this does not affect AMC. Hold 1009 has been holding 10 pretty strong. And this pullback here, double bottom at 191. You guys see that? You guys saw the ask right now? Flash at 1010, I think. These walls are there. 1010. I think this is the first sign of a bounce on the 5 minute. There we go. 1011. First sign of a bounce coming on AMC. 1011, 1012. GameStop double bottom, then cracked here 190. But like always, GameStop does not go out without a fight. And a bounce, we're back at 191. First initial level, we cracked down under. Look at this, bouncing already. Morning, Rick. Good morning. Mm, 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 10, 13, 14. Okay, I'll take this. Extend this to the right. Let's see that resistance there. Let's check Discord. Morning, Jay. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, guys. Pause the 5. Both stonks, GameStop and AMC, guys, were both on the 5, under the 5 minute EMA. Resistance is still there. We're not seeing that bounce, that recovery, that reversal just yet. The last time we had a day like this, it took, I'd say, like an hour and a half or so before we saw that reversal. So it's just patience at this point. AMC's holding above 10. GameStop is still pulling back, 189. Morning, John Rafiki. 188. This places us back on Monday's midday resistance at 184. Way oversold. This is way oversold. Look at the 5. This is still pulling back. This is definitely affecting AMC with the 1008 reversal under EMA. My test $10. GameStop still pulling back. 187. Kong Godzilla already sold out. All right, we're trying to bounce one more time back to 191. Sold out here too. Let me check. Let's see. Today's Wednesday, right? Wednesday. $189. We're expecting and we're hoping for that next bounce, guys, to go back to 190s. That's the first initial price point we fell under 190s. Did this sell out here too? I can't find any seeds. Hmm. Up. There's a couple more seats, but they're all in the front. Kong versus Godzilla. AMC still is holding $10. All right, there we go. 189. Bounce back above, baby. Back to EMA 190. Michael, I don't have the RSI, unfortunately. Morning, Smiley. Good morning. Man, there's no seating. Let's check this one. You actually like the seats in the front? I don't know, my neck doesn't like that. Let's see. Oh, it's sold out. Damn. Last Wednesday, guys, we also pulled back. Last Wednesday, we pulled back. Very interesting. You guys see this? This was the day after the earnings. We had that sell off, that massive sell off before the rebound on Thursday. So if history repeats itself and we do pull back today, tomorrow, should we expect a bounce? Morning, Habeen. Good morning. Let's see. Still trading here at 10, guys. We're not seeing that bounce just yet. Patience, patience. Yeah, it's sold out everywhere here. I can't find any tickets. I guess it's not meant to be today. Tesla 660. Oh, baby. They came back for me. You guys came back for me, man. The only thing I'm not too happy with is the AMC descending triangle going on right now. We're not seeing that recovery just yet, but this ain't the first time we have this pattern, especially on a Wednesday. So patience. Smash that like button, support the channel. I appreciate that, guys. If you guys are enjoying the stream, that's all we ask for is to destroy the button, the like button. Our target is always 420 on the likes. 420. 190, okay. Still believe we're oversold in the 5. We are oversold. We're waiting for that recovery, that bounce, that reversal. We're crossing above EMA one more time. Let's hold above. Give me signs. Hit me that you're reversing. The first step is obviously bouncing here and then higher lows. That's the key. The same Kramer friends dislike the video. Robert Poker won't buy Tesla till it hits $42. Yeah, just going based off of technicals. Last Wednesday we had that dump, and then Thursday, which is tomorrow, we had that crazy recovery. So if history repeats itself, this is what we're seeing right now as well. Except we're not seeing that much of an aggressive pullback and sell off on both AMC and GameStop. With AMC holding strongly here at $10, looks like it's retesting that 4-hour wedge we're talking about. 12 resistance, 10 support. GameStop, give me signs of a recovery. Just shoot up, baby. You're back at the price you fell under and double bottomed at 191. On the 5 minute, we're still oversold. We still got some room for a bounce to 193. Bounce to 193. That's what we're waiting for. Here we go. Uh, oh my gosh. No, Dante, I'm still looking for that transcript. I keep peeping the news here and it's not pulling up. Let me see if I can find it on Twitter. Yeah, every time we end the live stream, Thomas, it reverses. We have a reversal around the same time. GME third bridge. Let's see if I can find that for you guys really quick. No one's talking about it. The options expire on Thursday. Yes. Got my financial advisor glasses on really quick. Just kidding. I'm not a financial advisor. Look at Discovery now. I don't know, man. I'm not convinced just yet. I think there might be more downside to come on Discovery. And Viacom. You see this pullback here at market open? This is what I'm talking about. I think we might see more of that. There we go, AMC's. AMC, guys, slowly but surely, slow stepper. Seems like every time GameStop has a sign of a recovery on the bounce, a reversal, AMC follows along. On the 5-minute, we have that push here to 1014. EMA sitting at 1020. Let's have that reversal. Same time every day. Same pattern. Very interesting. I'm looking at both the gifted comedy. I'm looking for a play in both. Maybe once I exit Tesla, I could use that capital and just throw it in there. Viacom and Discovery. That's if Tesla hits my price target. If not, and Viacom pulls back before Tesla hits my price target, I'm just gonna buy. So it's just a patience game at this point. Timing too. 1017, there we go. Morning, Gary. Good morning. Showing 25K. Let's check Fintel. Let's see if we're showing the same data as that iBar disk you're getting those numbers from. Because mine's showing 30K 10 minutes ago for GameStop. 30K. Let's check AMC. It's back above 1.3 mil. Jumped up from 750K to 1.3 mil. Slow step, absolutely. Stonko tracker? What is that? Is that a real thing? Stonko tracker. Oh, it is. GameStop Stonko tracker. Oh, you're right. It's showing 25K. 1.2% fee. Check Discord. Oh, third bridge. Let's see. Let me check this really quick. 1018. I think we're testing EMA on the 5. Are we? 1019. So close, guys. We're testing. Let's see if we break above. Here comes the real test. After finding some support at 10. Looks like we're likely to bounce here. Third bridge. Yeah, they were Third Bridge was talking about Ubisoft as well. Um, he doesn't really talk about it though. 8.6 million volume. Let's remove these lower highs, remove this now that we're testing EMA. Now we're pretty much relying on these higher lows. Let's close above the blue line. Peep Tesla really quick, see if we might exit. Nope, 660. So close, so close. They came back for me, rescued me. Yeah, that's where we've been seeing resistance at. $200 on GameStop. $200. Yeah, just my opinion. It's crazy low for GameStop, the fee. But in reality, no one really knows the fee. I don't trust what Finto is showing on that, on the number. It's like less than one. Your close price prediction is 205. What do you guys think? You guys think we close above 200 today? What's your average price on Tesla? 677. We're so close. Your price is guess is 198. Definitely going with the bell today. 207 high, closed at 199. 205 is too high for me. I mean, we're at 190s. We're holding pretty well after this bounce here at 187. But then again, keep these lower highs, this resistance there. We're still there, guys. It's still there. 5 minute, we're still seeing resistance. We're waiting for the stronger bounce, more of an aggressive push of a reversal. We're still not seeing that just yet. It's only a matter of time before we know if we are reversing. In that case, we would see these lower highs. Higher lows, I'm sorry. Higher lows. AMC needs to break above 1020, guys. 1020. So Volkswagen try to pull a little sneaky April Fool's prank, guys. They try to change their name. It would change its brand name to Volts with a T, Volkswagen. This was supposed to be an April Fool's joke that backfired on them. So apparently someone leaked that third bridge information behind the GameStop meeting yesterday. Someone working at Third Bridge. What? I keep their identity anonymous, but I can attest that this was a higher up at Third Bridge. It would appear that there will be no near-term press releases or announcements as a result of the Third Bridge meeting. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that there will be no near-term catalyst. The email screenshot makes me want to pay for a damn subscription. They did an interview with the former senior GameStop employee this week. How valid is this? I need to stretch. $191. There we go. We're testing these lower highs again one more time. That resistance on the way down on this red trend line. It's still there, baby. It's still there. Let's break above AMC, still holding at 1015. Is it just me or did my thing freeze? It's not ticking. You guys see this? There we go. Damn, we're not moving that aggressively. The volume is not there. It's almost like my screen froze. BlackRock just bought more stonks. Let me check. Let's see. Let's see. March 1st. Nope, nope. All right, let's check AMC. Ownership. I can't find it. Let me give me one more. Give me a couple seconds. Give me a couple seconds. Oh, BlackRock. I found it. BlackRock. They bought 2,291 on AMC at 772 and 5,723 shares at 769. I'm gonna save this for sure. And this was coming after yesterday's Goldman Sachs purchase. It's not showing for GameStop. Let me see. Let me refresh this. It might be a little glitch. Oh, there it is. GameStop as well. 3,905 shares at 167.72 and 3,006 shares at 167.60. BlackRock, eh? Let's see. Interesting. They bought both GameStop and AMC. Yeah, they picked them up earlier. So these prices, the reason it's just because like Robert said, they're delayed. So they bought in, and now we're seeing the info. We're seeing that filing. So it's a little slightly delayed. That's why you see these prices under on GameStop. What was it, 170 they got in at, and AMC was like $7 or something. So it could also be the possibility that they bought, but as we speak, who knows if they're still holding? That could also be a possibility too. Oh, you were scared for a second? Why? And that means they have sold since then? No. I'm assuming they're still holding. That's just my guess. All right, there we go. Slight confirmation, guys, that this might be the start of the reversal. Let's remove these lower highs trend line here. Here we go. One more time. One more time to test that EMA on the 5 minute. Like I said, it's all about patience and forming these higher lows and reversing. Patience, patience, patience. Double top here at 192. Or they've added more. Yeah, we don't know. We don't know if they bought more. There's a lot of possibilities. As for AMC, we're still trading at 10.15 with that resistance being there at 10.20, I believe, on the 5 minute. 10.17 on the 5 minute, I'm sorry. And with this GameStop push here, we should see another push up. Let's wait and see. Mm, mm, mm. 192. We're trying to push above. I love these higher lows from when I see this. You guys see this W ascending triangle? I love to see it. There we go, testing that blue line, which is the uptrend. Let's close above that on this candle. Let's try to aim for that. It might be a stretch, but we remain positive and hopeful. We are above EMA on the 5 minute. Like I said, if this GameStop does push and reverse here, guess who's gonna follow? AMC. This is what we're waiting for. 193 still. At 20K now. Let's see. Let me peep that really quick. Give me 1 second. All right, we're breaking above 193.80. So close to 194. Short interest, AMC, it's still at 1.3 mil. Let's take a look at the short interest, the short shares available for GameStop, right? Yeah, GameStop. What did you say it was at? 30 or 20K on our bar disk? This is probably gonna show 20 as well. Still loading, still loading. No, we're still at 20 at 43 for Discovery. Still showing 30K as of 25 minutes ago. Not that much of a difference though. Only by 10K. Let's see. Tesla 662. Oh, these apes came back for me, man. You guys came back for me. We're so close. We're so close. Look at this 4 hour. It's not looking too stable, man. That's why I'm so scared to rebuy and hold. Even if I get a chance to just get out at 677, break even, I'll buy back lower. Possibly maybe even $42. The price some of you guys are speculating. $42, man. Talk about a going all in play. I'll definitely do that. All right, here we go. GameStop bouncing once again. 193, holding these higher lows. That's what I love to see. Disc B. It's halted or what? Yeah, I believe. Yeah, it's halted. 1020. Here we go. Here we go. I believe we're above EMA. Yes, we are. Finally. Finally. This is all a patience game. It's a patience game. Let's have a reversal. Let's close above this. Don't get rejected on me. Don't pull back again. It takes forever on AMC and GameStop for it to bounce back and form these higher lows and these ascending triangles. It takes a while. Morning, Eve. Good morning. Let's see. Let's see what Twitter is saying. Any news? Any news? Chris, my EMA is set at 13. 13. SMA is set at 200. The MACD is strong on AMC. What's the MACD at? I'm assuming since we held $10. I appreciate that. Good vibes all around. Always, every single day, baby. Good vibes. Spread nothing but good vibes. There we go. Once again, 1020. Once again, above EMA. Love to see that. I love to see that. Let's get a cup and handle for me. Yesterday we had that cup and handle completion on Gamestop at 194, guys. Midday. We're talking about this. Look, or was it at 194 where we fell under EMA? It was right around here. And look how long it took us. We fell from 194 all the way down to 183. It took us the entire midday when we were done streaming. Usually when we're done streaming, we reverse to complete that cup and handle. And we even pushed above to 204. So it takes time for us to form these higher lows. But hey, we slow stepper on low volume, we still do it. And the 5 minutes is happening here with GameStop once again above these higher lows. We're still slightly struggling here at the EMA, but let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. And I'm Armando for EMA and SMA in terms of buying and selling. What do you look for, Ralph? Buy under EMA and sell over? Yes. So this basically the EMA and not the SMA. I don't use the SMA too much for buying and selling for day trading. It's majority EMA. You'll hear me say EMA, EMA, the blue line, the blue line. But that's just because I was so heavily day trading Tesla. If you look at my other videos before the AMC and GameStop situation, I was making just recap videos on the day and literally every single day. If you go to every video, it'll be, oh, today Tesla, I bought here, I sold here. This is how much profit. Every single day, Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. You'll see the EMA. I'll explain where I bought, why I bought here, the balance. I went an entire month without losing on day trading on Tesla. I went like 30 something days just profit in a row. It was crazy. And GameStop AMC popped up and now I'm holding. So this is so against my quote unquote strategy, my thesis on day trading. It's like I'm swinging it now, you know? So it's just now more of a guidance of an indicator on how I would and look for support and resistance levels just based off of the EMA on GameStop and AMC. But for Tesla, that's what I would look for, as you said. Buy under, right? Yes, I would wait for under. Not necessarily on the 1 minute, but on the 5 minute. Depending on how just extended it was on the 5 minute, I would base my trade. And this just comes with by looking at the stock every single day. Tesla, just waking up, looking at the technicals every single day, you get a feel for how aggressive these pullbacks are. Sometimes I'll get burned. I'll get burned and it'll keep on pulling back. That's why you have to watch the overall market. That's why you have to watch SPY. That's why you have to watch NASDAQ and see the strength there. If the strength is not there and NASDAQ is pulling back, Tesla would definitely see some aggressive pullbacks, and sometimes I'll get burned, I'll get stuck. I'll get stuck. And it would suck, but that's just the name of the game for me at that time, which was December and January. Is that where you see they are oversold? Yes. That's what I was looking for on the 5, oversold. Being oversold. So here on the 5 minute for GameStop, as we pulled back from 197 all the way down to 187, this would have been a day trade for me, absolutely. A day trade. And I would have sold a 187 buy, even if I didn't time the bottom perfectly and I got in at 189, I would have sold like at 192. So I would have already been out here in the situation. I would usually wait for it to test EMA, sell half there, wait for the push above. In this case, it was to 183 and sell half of it there. But sometimes I would hold, I would be a little risky, and I would just hold more. I would hold longer, and I would get a faster recovery, and that would be a good day. When I would hold and we just reverse like crazy. In this case, look, we're back at 194. So if I was still holding half of my position on the dip buy, I would just write it out. I'd be like, you know what? The NASDAQ is green. I have a small position. I locked in some profits. It wouldn't kill me. It wouldn't hurt me to just ride the rest. So that's the way I would look at it. How does SPY NASDAQ affect Tesla and other stocks? NASDAQ is just tech composed, tech heavy. Apple, Facebook, all these stocks move together in sectors. So, but Tesla, keep in mind, Tesla some days when Nasdaq was red, Tesla was up. It would be the opposite. And there's days where Nasdaq was green and Tesla was red. So you just flip back and forth. That's why I have two monitors. I would look at Nasdaq on one, Tesla on one. I'll pull up the 5 minute on one chart, and I'll have the day trading time frame, which is the 1 minute on Tesla on another chart. So I just keep glancing back and forth, be like, okay, this could pull back more on the 5. And SPY, I wouldn't have SPY. I would have Tesla 1 minute, Tesla 5 minute, and Nasdaq. But I would peep SPY back and forth. I'd peep at it just for a couple seconds. And this is it. Look, this is in the situation, like I said, if I hold half of my position and ride the rest, this is exactly what I'm hoping for. Look at this push, this recovery midday. It's not even midday, but this recovery after the bounce. Look, we're above EMA. This is where I lock in profits. Why? Because it can pull back. It can have a healthy pullback to EMA. I just don't want to be in that pullback. I like seeing and locking in profits on the way up. So that's what it is. That's what it do. 196 pushing above. Hopefully this pushes up and it helps out on AMC tremendously. We need that push, baby. Talk about a V recovery, man. Ascending triangle breakout. I love this. SMA test 196. So that's where I came from, you know? I know some of you guys just found this channel out. I don't know how many of you guys were here when we were making videos on Tesla before the GameStop AMC situation, but it's so different before with me. I was more of a heavy day trader. Heavy day trader. I started day trading GameStop. I was trading GameStop like at 97 bucks buying the dips. I remember it used to be so volatile. It was so insane. I was surprised. Every dip I bought immediately bounced and I was able to cash out. I'm like, what? I'm like, this is insane. The momentum, the volatility. I loved it. I loved it. And this was just based off of technicals. I wasn't looking at the short squeeze. I wasn't looking at the short interest. It was just based off of technicals. And it was insane to me. I was mind blown. We started watching GameStop when it was like at 30 bucks. I think is when we caught onto it. I actually have a video where I talked about it where we bought at $10, I think. 10 something. There's a video on this channel, 10. And then I think we forgot about GameStop, and then it started getting back in the news, and then it went to 30. I'm like, you know what? Maybe it's gonna go to 50 and pull back. It was like at 70 bucks the next day, and I was like, oh my gosh, $70. What's the whole number after 70? I'm like, it's gonna easily go to 100. I think the next day it gapped up above 100. I was just mind blown. 10 shares of Tesla. Oh, how many shares of Tesla were you trading? It depends. It depends. Sometimes I'll test the waters. I'll size in with like maybe 5. I was buying in blocks of 5 on the way down. So every pullback we had, I would buy 5 shares, 5 shares, 5 shares. And as we pulled back even more, I would buy 10 shares. There'd be a point where I think I had 100 something shares of Tesla. If it was like a good day, I'd be dip buying 100 and something shares of Tesla. And this was like when it was at 800 on the way up. It was much easier to trade it when it was on the way up. And then it started getting difficult. I started struggling with Tesla. The bounces were weak. They weren't as aggressive. And I'm like, you know what? Maybe this is the pullback. Maybe this is where Tesla pulls back. The dips aren't as harsh, and I'm not able to lock in as much profit. And this is when GameStop AMC came into play. I'm like, you know, I'm gonna hold GameStop and AMC. I started looking more into fundamentals, and here we are today. Where things with Tesla really got spicy was the S&P 500 inclusion. When they got included in the S&P 500, Tesla was like at 400 something. It immediately shot up after hours. That's where things started getting really crazy with Tesla. PUBG with Elon. Let's see, what news did we miss? Yeah, we're on our way back to 200. That's what we need. Our journey back to 200. We test that bad boy. That resistance is there at 200. AMC still holding 1015. Support is not a bad thing. How's the 5 on GameStop? I'm pretty sure we're above the 5. Yeah, we are. 5 minutes at 193. We have cushion for a pullback at this time of day with this recovery. I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's see. Fintel. We have an update on Fintel. 194. We're waiting for that push, man. That push. We're so close here fighting EMA on the 5 for AMC. I feel like so much gas in my chest. Yeah, someone had the volume. I'm curious as well, Wiki. The volume. RVs, you guys are quick to assume it's RVs. I think Spy just hit a new high. Spy hits record high. Mine is showing 398. Oh, the markets are ripping. Nasdaq. All right, here we go. AMC one more time, testing 1020s. Let's wait for that next bounce up. Kramer made a voodoo doll and sticks pins in you. Oliver, yes, on Twitter about the Arby's gift card. Let me check. Let me check. I got so much. You guys blow me up on Twitter. Let me check. Also have to deal with some of the packages you guys are sending getting lost. I don't know what's wrong with these drivers. They're just misplacing packages all over. I'm gonna send you it right now actually that we're on stream. Did AMC just pop above 1020? That's beautiful. Oliver is not a meme. Let me see. Oliver. Or you're on the request, message request. Okay, I'm gonna send you it right now. You got the Amazon, right? The UK gift card? Perfect. I'm sending to you that right now. Shout out to Cupcakes. Anonymous Cupcakes for that code right here. For that gift card for you guys. Level 2 on AMC's what you're talking about. I went ahead and sent you that, Oliver. Is this you, right, Oliver? Perfect. 1007. All right, here we go. Let's continue. Let's continue. Notice how it takes a while. It's a laggard. GameStop spiked here at 7:50 in the morning. And it took like 8 minutes for AMC to fall. Oh my God, look at the wall at 10:30. This is ridiculous. There's a massive wall at 10:30. They cannot stop playing with this. All right, bouncing off EMA 196 GameStop. It looks like we're back above 196. Let's get that second leg up. That third leg up actually here for GameStop. AMC taking taking walls down. 1031. Oliver, let me know if you have any problems with this claim code for the gift card. I don't know if I'm supposed to send you anything else, but let me know if you have any issues with the card. Mitch, thank you for the donor. Mark your calendar. I'm moving to the US in 1 week. GameStop will hit its peak when I'm in the air. It's raining in the stars. There we go. There we go. Welcome. Taking the rocket ship. I appreciate the dono. You guys don't have to donate. Just drop a like on the video. That's all we ask for. We're close to our target, 420. 420. I appreciate that, Mitch. 1034 AMC still pushing up. Laggard, slow stepper, but here we go. We're moving finally. It's all a matter of time. Just being patient and reading these candles. Gift card pump. Rigged. You guys know it's not rigged. AMC needs to hold where it is. Too much further and it'll start dropping again. We were firing the 1030s yesterday. 1030s after this ugly pullback, midday barcoding, and then we had that push into the market close. As of now, we're trading above yesterday's level, so I'll consider that a win. We're about to go green on AMC. We're literally just flat. We're flat now. And GameStop just went green, by the way, too. Oh, I got a GameStop email. Ralph, we're working on your order. We'll send you an update when it's shipped. Your GameStop order is getting shipped soon. Let's go. The Mooncat t-shirt. Matthew, I appreciate the donor. AMC GameStop. Let's go. I'm giving away 20% of my profits soon. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get to 500 on GameStop first. Let's go to 500. We first have to break 200, man. After 220, I truly believe we can fly. I truly believe we can fly above 200 on GameStop. 220, 200 and 220. Stroke it. 3.8 million on game. What's the volume for both AMC and GameStop? Anybody have that really quick? Find us some volume. Yeah. So what we're hoping for, what we've been waiting for. What happened with the private call? I wasn't able to get any information on that. There's still some slight rumors about what happened, what was said during the call, but again, all rumors. I don't know the credibility on that. So it's only a matter of time. 3 million, or 4. 4 million on GameStop and 12 million on AMC. There we go. Tom Brady came early today, huh? I still can't believe this website, Stonko Tracker. What a name! And it has a monkey on the logo. Don't forget our spring sale is happening right now, which means the perfect time to save on big games, collectibles, and all kinds of gear. GameStop tweeted that a minute ago. Spring sale March 28th through April 3rd. All right, this might be the next leg up here on GameStop. Triple top at 196.50. After 196, you guys know what the next level is. Literally 199, $200. That's what we're waiting for. AMC having a healthy pullback here at 1033. Let's pray on these higher lows, holding above EMA. Here comes GameStop breaking above 196.50s. We're aiming for 198, 199 on this leg up. Very interesting timing and time of day for a breakout and a reversal to happen. Tom Brady, the GOAT. He's here early today. He came through. Our side breather hopefully rips right after. Yeah, healthy pullback, healthy pullback. Let the stonk breathe. On the 5 minute, my EMA is at 193. So we have some slight cushion for a little pullback, a little healthy pullback. The key, like always, higher lows, higher lows. Always remember that. Higher lows. Stonko tracker, you can select AMC. Perfect. Let's peep that. Let's take a look. Yeah, literally, it's only two stocks, GameStop and AMC. Oh my gosh, there, let's go, go baby. Just push, push, fly above 197. You're right there, you're right there, holding above EMA. The strength is there. Just show me you could fly. It's right there, guys. It wants to pop, it wants to break out. All I heard was the higher lows. Yeah, Michael, it's only two stocks on the website. Literally, GameStop and AMC. Stonko Tracker, I believe it's what it's called. Yep. Take a look at this. Literally, you click it here, stocks, GameStop and AMC. Guys, it's right there. GameStop wants to fly. Just break out. Come on, come on. Trigger my alert. Trigger my alert. Oh, it's teasing me, baby. It's teasing me. Look at this. Come on, come on. Oh, don't just trigger my alert like that. You have to break out. I want to check Tesla. Pulling back. Oh my God, we're so close. We're so close to me breaking even. I'm gonna set my alert just in case later on, possibly when I'm at the gym or something, and I get an alert. It's gonna hype me up. It's gonna hype me up. Look at it. It got triggered and it's pulling back now. I was expecting more of an aggressive push. Is this the healthy pullback? Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Give it some time. I can't play the song because you know what happened yesterday. GameStop took a collapse at the market open after that pretty aggressive push to 200. Song came on and the stock did not like it. There we go with the pullback. Pretty ugly red candle, I would say. It's not normal. 194.84. I don't like it. Pretty aggressive. Let's see. Let's see what kind of news we got. New York Governor Cuomo signs MJ bill. How are the stocks reacting? ACB is one of them. Aurora with the new high today. Hexo is another one. Tilray, TLRY, APHA, Sundial. Can't forget about that barcode. I don't like Sundial, guys. Are you guys seeing the bid and the ask? Look at this. This is ridiculous. Oh, it's another one. OGI. Hmm. It's showing 10K now. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Kron, yes, yes, Kron. Kron. No update as of Fintel. Nice, healthy pullbacks. I agree. I agree. So now this push here, this reversal midday. I don't know. I would have considered this midday. Places us above the blue line. Keep in mind, don't get these mixed up. There's two blue lines. The squiggly one, I guess you can say, is the EMA. The blue trend line, however, the flat line is the higher lows, the uptrend. The reversal we had here on from Friday, from the lows of 162, that's the trend line we want to hold. We had a slight spook here under to 187, but as of now we're above. We're bouncing. We're trying to hold 194 EMA on the 5. We have some cushion, baby. Healthy pullbacks at this time of day. I'll take it. Hopefully Tom Brady comes through. It's 5 a.m. here. Hopefully Tom Brady comes through power hour and we have a push above. That closes us at 200. That's what we're waiting for. 200. Trend line? No, I don't have the trend line for AMC yet. All I have is a 4 hour mid wedge. This is pretty much it. Consolidation sideways. $12 resistance and 950.10 support. That's what we're pretty much here on AMC. No cup and handle yet. If we do have a push above 11 today, I could probably say we could see 1150s by tomorrow. That's my price target. That's my goal. That's what we're waiting for. A push above 11 as of now. Healthy pullback 1025. Higher lows are kind of still in play here on the 1 minute. If you want me to pull out the trend line, if this is what you're looking for, this is pretty much what you can see here on the 1 minute. If you were to become a millionaire off of stocks, what would you buy? More stocks. Is there a trend line? Yeah, it's the trend line. Tesla explodes in Texas. Call me Rafiki Buffett. That's my new name. AMC cup and handle. If we do see that push above 11, I could kind of see that cup and handle forming here. In the driveway and started a house fire. I've seen that before with other Teslers catching fire out of nowhere at 3 in the morning. Rafiki Buffett equals RB equals Arby's. That's subliminal messages there for you. Rafiki Buffett. Rob pointing something different. I almost didn't recognize you. I look the same every day, man. What are you talking about? All right, there we go with the test again. We're testing the blue line, the blue trend line. It's trying to bounce off of that line, as you can see here. 193 candle. We're at 194. Close above, baby. Just reverse bounce. This is a good place to bounce, GameStop. Don't test the lower trend line here. Let's extend this to the right really quick. Extendo mode. Don't test that trend line. Just bounce, baby. There we go. Testing EMA on the 195. 200 is what we're going for, guys. 200, baby. Have you ever been to Texas? I have not. No. Do you feel like other YouTubers are less transparent with their positions on AMC and don't actually believe in it? I believe there's some people out there, yes, that probably don't feel comfortable showing their positions, which also gives like that image that they don't want to. I don't know. It's like this is like you said, transparency issue. It's like if you're gonna believe in it, why not put your money in it? If you have a plan, why don't you follow through with it? But then there's that, oh, I don't want to share it, private. I don't feel comfortable. I don't understand that. It just confuses me. I just wish there was more like transparency behind that. But it is what it is. Exactly. Money where your mouth is, baby. Don't tell me Nasdaq is still ripping. All right, looks like we have some top here. We're toppy. We are toppy on Nasdaq. SPY as well. 397. So close to 400. SPY 400. Is that possible? Is that possible today? Are we going to pull back? GameStop 194. Once again, looks like it wants to test that trend line. Test that trend line at this time of day. I'll take it. I'll take it. I need to hop on that. Smiley, I have a couple emails. I need to sign up for. I'm telling you, Top Shot just removed me from the email list or something. I don't know where my email started going. I think there might there might be in my spam. This whole show is a subliminal Arby's commercial. There's 650. I believe Tesla can reverse here. I believe Tesla's gonna keep on rallying. This is what we need to see. This is what I like. Look at this. Strength on the EMA on the 5. It's very difficult when we pull back under and it's basically playing catch up the entire day. Like this, when we pull back under EMA, it just it eats up time. We have to be patient. Like I said, catch up. Not catch up. Catch up. Same thing here. 6:30. It took us an hour and 45 minutes in order to catch up and close above EMA. Power hour is going to be intense today. I believe so. Power hour is going to be ridiculous. It's going to be nuts. Tom Brady coming in through full force, full effect if we hold above this level. The trend line, basically. Blue line, 193, 194. That can give us a shot at retesting 199 and have that above 200 close. Give it some time. We're headed into lunchtime. Lunchtime. Should I stop by in Texas? Texas meetup. Texas meetup. What time's power hour? The last hour of the trading day, 12 to 1 p.m. Pacific. Here, 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, power hour is the last hour. The last hour. The final showdown. And literally, after that, we have the fourth quarter. The last 15 minutes where Tom Brady comes through and clutches. Sometimes Tom Brady clutches after hours, overtime. Yeah, no trading on Friday. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life on Friday. I want to go to the movies, but everything's sold out. With the options expiring tomorrow, I agree with you, Adam. Weeklies expire on Thursday. Texas meetup will be sweet. I can't believe I still have yet to been approved. I'm still on the wait list for Voyager. Yeah, be careful trading futures, C4 Silva. Be careful trading futures. I remember one time I I tried to dabble into futures and I bought one contract. I was like you. I was immediately down like in a couple minutes, like 1,200 bucks. Oh, I was down 600 bucks trading S&P 500 micro E mini. Yeah, the ES. You were trading. You weren't trading Nasdaq, which is still top. You were trading /ES. This is what you were trading. Oh, you sold for profit. I'm happy. Congrats on that. Futures are scary, man. Smash that like button, apes. Yeah, we're four. Whoa, we're so close to 420. Let's complete that round number at 420. Don't come to Central Texas unless you want to from oak and allergies. There we go. We hit 420. Yeah, virtual Kevin. There's a lot of fake Ralphs out there. Should we do like a gaming stream on Friday? Games on Friday on Discord. I suck at games. I feel like that would be on Twitch though, not YouTube. GameStop 193.90. We're still holding in there. I'm loving the pattern. We're slightly bouncing around from red to green on GameStop. But when in doubt, zoom out, look at the bigger picture. We're at a pretty solid spot on GameStop. I like it. Baked with Ralph. I don't know. I don't know if I can do that on YouTube. I'm already on YouTube's bad side. They're already censoring us. I'm on the bad side of YouTube right now. The last thing I want to do is them just flag the channel. Drinking with Ralph. Oh boy. The long interview with Robert on Friday. I thought it was happening tomorrow. The Robert B pump. I thought that was coming through tomorrow. Rafiki, what games do I play? I don't play any games. I do not play any games. Alrighty. Raw egg mukbang Friday live stream. ASMR stock channel. I know you play Call of Duty Warzone. I played it here and there, but I can't play on PC. I suck. 193, 5. Pretty much, hopefully, by the time we end the stream in a couple minutes, we stay around this range. 193. Let's hold 193 and 1020s for AMC. Those are pretty decent levels to hold head into power hour. Uh, Lil Mosey pick and gain mad respect. Do you listen to hip hop or just a random meet? He rented a car for me. He rented a car for me. That's what it was, but his music is pretty cool. Photo shoot for the OnlyFans content. Hmm. I do have a controller for PC because I suck. I think Brian, it's because we're all holding, man. We're all holding our shares. And especially with us being held down aggressively, with there, it's like these walls, man, on the bid and the ask. They don't help at all. I mean, we're barely even red on the day. I mean, earlier we were comparing the charts on GameStop and AMC to last Wednesday. Last Wednesday is when we had the brutal day after the earnings call on GameStop, and we completely sunk all the way down. I don't think we even had a bounce that day. And that's what we were comparing this to today. But today it's the opposite. We have a midday reversal holding around 193. I think we're doing pretty well. Yeah, market is closed Friday. Yes, long weekend. Long weekend ahead without stonks. We'll figure something out that we can do on Friday. I know Alexis Goldstein, I think that's her name, from the congressional hearing. She's doing an Ask Me Anything on Reddit on Friday. So maybe we could go live during would you guys like that? A live stream on Friday? Chill vibes. So we go gorilla or bunny on Friday. What's going on, Danny? What's going on? Welcome back. No news out yet. AMC, show me, show me. Nope, no news out yet. Tesla on its way back to 659. Yeah, it's at 659 now. I think we could possibly see a new high. I have my alert here set just in case so I could get excited and I could get hyped. I could get pumped. What's the best part of your day, bro? Stroking these candles with you guys. That's what it is. Live streaming. I love live streaming with you guys. — 15. Okay, let's take a look at the 5. Still under on the 5. On the one, it looks like we found some slight support, guys. Some slight support at 193. I'm not too convinced that we can call that support just yet. If it does pull on back slightly more, I say 190s, 191. As of now, I think we might end it here, guys. We're obviously gonna come back power hour. We're gonna come back in hot, baby. Tom Brady, he's coming. He's coming. If we do hold these levels here at 193, I think we're pretty much in good shape heading into power hour. A potential reversal to 197. My smooth brain could kind of see that cup and handle from here on the 1 minute for GameStop, and for AMC, it's pulling on back sale 1016. So we're still testing the trend line, but hopefully we're in good shape and continue the uptrend. I'm gonna set my alert on AMC as well. 1026. I appreciate that. I'll see you guys back power hour. If you guys are new and haven't taken action, we go live every single day, baby, Monday through Friday. Hit the subscribe button down below. We're gonna be back power hour. So peace out, guys. Thank you so much for joining and tuning on in. And for now, I leave you with. Hopefully, I can't play that song anymore. I can't play that song anymore. Or play during power hour. Let's not risk getting another copyright strike. YouTube hates us right now. Peace out, people.